it's Kristen at Ohio Virtual Academy. Wanted to just walk you through how to change your students' re-registration status. So I usually come to this website, the ohva.k12.com. You guys are familiar with logging into your Learning Coach account, but I want to make sure that we're closing all the gaps here. So you would select the OLS login, and then you'll come to this page. You would input your username and your password. If you have any troubles, you forgot, go ahead and click here, forgot username, forgot password, and it will email it to you. And then you would select login, and that will take you here. You'll see this Learning Coach name in the top right-hand corner. And then under here, just two below attendance, you'll see re-register for fall. When you click that, this is where that brings you. You'll see your students' names down here. You make sure to read through all of this just so you're aware. And then you can click on the undecided or unknown status, and that will allow you to come in and update that. So the status for Anna is shown now as re-registering. You can select this if you have multiple students to apply to all of your students, so you only have to do it once if they're all returning. And then understand here to go ahead and click that you understand your previous agreements as the Learning Coach, that you're entering attendance for your student each day, that you're monitoring their progress, that you're taking them to state testing, things like that. Anything that's in the Learning Coach handbook is what you're agreeing to here. And that you have the authority to make this decision, that you are the Learning Coach, you are either the legal guardian or the parent, and that you have that authority. And then if you're re-registering, you have several options here to choose from. It just are questions to make sure that we're closing the gap on all of these. And then down at the bottom, you have this option here. Let me scroll down there, so that you see the save option. So make sure that you save it so that that status will save and will stay as is, and then you're all set. And then in here, you would see your re-registration status for your student is showing as registering, okay? So you will need to submit documents after July 1st, according to the state of Ohio. Those are proof of residency documents, and that's based on your residency at that time. Must be a resident, of course, of the state of Ohio, and then we would love to have you back. If you have any questions, my email address and my phone number are below. Please feel free to let me know. Have a great day.